Yo, what's up everybody? I am finally done with my second vehicle today. This is a very beautiful Cadillac Escalade. Finally got it done and dropped off at my client's house. So let me show you the after results. The vehicle was in very good shape. I'll show you kind of the after of what I've done here. What I've done is our pristine package. So let me flip our camera around. Alright, there you have it. Man, she's beaming, looking great. Got the interior cleaned up nicely. To the exterior. Just look at her, how clean she is. All right, so there you have it, guys. You guys have a great day. Peace.